Hey, have you heard?
What you talking about?
I ain't heard nothing. I heard all about it.
The beloved M&M characters are going away. They've all been fired.
Oh my
Even the
God.
yellow
Can't he
peanut?
collect unemployment?
Not only that, but they're changing the name of M&Ms to Maya's after Maya Rudolph.
They can't change
my
their
mama,
names
yo
after
mama.
a year.
Reindeer? Who is that? Personally, I think this is a publicity stunt that'll all be straightened out during the Super Bowl. I mean, you just don't throw a brand away after so many decades.
Wait, even the
It's all
What are
gone
we gonna
downhill
do?
since
Excuse
Kit
me,
Kat.
will M&M the rapper now be known as Maya?
Well, it's been almost 2 years since Jeff from New York has visited the M&M Superstore here on the Las Vegas Strip. We're going to revisit it today.
He's just looking
Personally,
to profit
I
off
always
the
enjoyed
unfortunate
yellow
situation.
peanut.
Will this
care
stuff be
less.
going on clearance?
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time.
That's right, my New Yorkers. Apparently, M&M Mars is getting rid of their beloved M&M characters to replace them with, well, a spokesperson, Maya Rudolph. You know, from Saturday Night Live and a couple movies. And they're also getting rid of that M that's printed on every M&M and replacing it with, well, Maya Rudolph's face. And they're changing the name of M&Ms to Maya's. But, according to M&M Mars, that name change to Maya's will only be between now and the Super Bowl. The Super Bowl, the advertising event of the year. Could this all just be a publicity stunt? Well, I think so. Lots of questions, but one thing's for certain. Everybody's talking about M&Ms. It's in the news, it's in the press, it's all over the internet. And it barely cost M&M Mars a penny. Nice job. But of course you guys knew all that already because it was in a post in the New York community room last week. And you all visit the community room, right? Well, you should. It's that tab located at the top of the New York page right here. Click on that community tab and you'll be in the community room.
Never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Now, from what I understand, this brown M&M has her resume all over the internet. The green M&M, the so-called sexy M&M, is all over Instagram now. She has her own Instagram account. And the yellow peanut, a personal favorite of mine, is trying to become the spokesperson for Snickers, but from what I understand, that's not going very well. So this M&M megastore here in Las Vegas was the first one to open. It opened in 1997, with others in Orlando, Florida, New York City, London, Henderson, Nevada, Shanghai, Bloomington, Minnesota, and Berlin. This store is located in the Showcase Mall next to the MGM Grand. The four-story M&M World includes a gift shop on the first floor. The shop leads to a 3D movie theater that shows the short subject, I Lost My M in Las Vegas. Also on display are M&Ms in nearly every color and a replica of the number 18 M&M race car that is driven by NASCAR Monster Energy Cup Series by Kyle Busch. M&M clothing is sold on the second floor, and on the stairs that go up to the second floor, the escalators that we just came up, are pictures showing the M&M characters, how they evolved over the years, painted on the wall, and, well, I guess they'll be repainting that wall now, huh? And by the way, I visit that Orlando store in one of my videos from Orlando. Just check out that Orlando playlist here on the New York channel, featuring videos from theme parks like Disney World and Universal. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New York channel, check out the new Facebook New York fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. So what do you think? Is this just a massive publicity stunt pulled by the M&M people that will be exposed on Super Bowl Sunday? Or is this for real for the long term? Leave a comment below. But do it now. No Monday morning quarterbacking here.
Maya who?
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.